Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today's story is the SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob lived in a pineapple under the sea. He was a happy, funny sponge. Every day, he worked at the Krusty Krab, a small restaurant. He made the best Krabby Patties at his restaurant. SpongeBob had a best friend named Patrick Star. Patrick was a pink starfish who loved to play. They laughed, blew bubbles, and went on silly adventures. SpongeBob also had a neighbor, Squidward. Squidward played the clarinet and liked peace and quiet, but SpongeBob's loud fun always made Squidward grumpy. One day, the evil little Plankton, tried to steal the secret Krabby Patty recipe. He made tricky plans, but SpongeBob's kindness and hard work always stopped him. Even when things went wrong, SpongeBob never gave up. He always smiled and said, "I'm ready." That is why everyone loved SpongeBob. And so, SpongeBob, Patrick, and their friends kept having funny adventures under the sea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.